Students, let's start our today's class. Progressions from paper 1. Exercise 6.3, question number 4. The first and last term of an AP are 17 and 350. The first and last term of an AP are 17 and 350 respectively. If the common difference is 9, how many terms are there and what is their sum? What is given? What is given? The first term is given. That is A is given, that is 17, and last term AN is given, that is 350. First term and last term is given, and the common difference is also given, D is also given. We have to find how many terms are there. We have to find N. What we have to find? We have to find here N, and later on the sum of this terms. AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. A is given as 17 plus N minus 1 into D is given as 9. AN is also given, that is 350. Is it clear? 350 is equals to 17 plus 9 into N is 9N minus 9 into 1 is 9. 17 minus 9 is 8 plus 9n is equals to 350. 9n is equals to 350 plus 8. When it comes this side of is equal to is become minus 8. So 9n is equals to 342. That implies n is equals to 342 by 9. 9 ones are 9 threes are 27, 32, 33, 34, 35. 7 is left. 9 8s are 72. We got the value of n as 38. Okay, how many terms are there? We find it as n is equals to 78. Now we have to find Sn, that is NSN. Formula to find Sn is equals to n by 2, sum to n terms, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N is how much? 38. S38 is equals to 38 by 2 into 2 into A is 17 plus 38 minus 1 is 37 into 9. Common difference D is 9. 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18. So 19 into 17 into 2 is 334 plus 37 into 9 is 333. When you add this, that is 19 into 367. Multiply 19 into 367, 6973. Therefore, S38 is equals to, S38 is equals to 6973. Now let's move to the next question. Next, fifth question. Find the sum of first 51 terms. Sum of what we have to find? S51 we have to find. What is given now? Whose second term and the third term are 14 and 18? Whose second term is given? Second term. Whose second term is 14 and third term is 18. This is given. Second term formula, A plus 1D is equals to 14, and third term formula, A plus 2D is equals to 18. A2, that is third term, that is A3, A plus 2D is equals to A18. Change the signs, cancel it, plus minus minus, so minus D is equals to minus 4. Minus minus cancel, that means D is equals to 4. We got the value of D. Now substituting D is equals to 4 in any equation. Substituting D is equals to 4 in A plus 1D is equals to 14. So A plus 4 is equals to 14. That implies A is equals to 14 minus 4. So A is equals to 10. We got the value of A as 10. What we have to find? We have to find S51. First write Sn formula. Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. We know the value of A as 10. We know the value of D as 4. And we have to find S51. So that means n is equals to 51. Start substituting. S51 is equals to 51 by 2 into 2 into 10 plus 51. N की value 51 है. 51 minus 1 is 50 into 4. That is 51 by 2 into 10 2s are 20 plus 200. That is 51 by 2 into 220. 2 ones are 0. So S51 is equals to 51 into 110. When you multiply this, you will be getting the answer 5610. Therefore, S51 is equals to 5610. Now, next problem. Next problem. If the sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49, the sum of first 7 terms, sum of what is given? Listen to the question very carefully. The sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49 and that of 17 term, that is sum of first 17 term is 289. Find the sum of first n terms. We have to find Sn. See the question, Sn is given. An, A7 is there. Sum is given. So we are going to put the formula of sum to n terms. Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay. N is how much? 7. S7 is given. So n is how much? 7. So S7 is equals to 7 by 2 into 2A plus S7. So 7 minus 1 is 6D. S7 value we know it as 49. 49 is equals to 7 by 2 into 2A plus 6D. Cross multiply. 2 numerator में send the 2 to the numerator and 7 to the denominator. 49 into 2 by 7 is equals to 2A plus 6D. 7 ones are 7, 7s are 49. So 7 2s are 14 is equals to 2A plus 6D. Keep this as an equation 1. Now let's move to the second term which is given, that is S17 is equals to 289. So S17 is equals to 17 by 2, that is n by 2 into 2A plus 17 minus 1 is 16D. S17 value is given as 289 is equals to 17 by 2 into 2A plus 16D. Send 2 to the numerator and 17 to the denominator. 289 into 2 by 17 is equals to 2A plus 16D. 17 ones are 17. 17s are 289. So 17 2s are 17. So 34 is equals to 2A plus 16D. This is your equation 2. Now solving 1 and 2 to get the value of A and D. Solving equation 1 and equation 2. That is 2A plus 6D is equals to 14. 2A plus 16D is equals to 34. Change the sign, minus, minus, minus. Plus minus get cancelled. Minus 16 plus 6. Minus 16 plus 6 is minus 10D is equals to 34 minus 14, that is minus 20. Minus minus get cancelled, 0 0 get cancelled, so D is equals to 2. We got the value of D as 2. Now 2A plus 6 into 2 is equals to 14. 2A plus 12 is equals to 14. That implies 2A is equals to 14 minus 12 plus 12. When it moves that side of is equal to, it becomes minus. So 2A is equals to 2. A is equals to 2 by 2. Cancel it up. We got the value of A is equals to 1. We got the value of A as 1. We got the value of D as 2. What we have to find? We have to find Sn. Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2 into 1 plus n minus 1 into 2. That is n by 2 into 2 ones are 2 plus 2 into n is 2n minus 2 ones are 2 is 2 plus 2 minus 2 get cancelled. So 2n into n by 2. 2 to get cancelled. Sn is equals to n square. Now next problem. Show that A1, A2, so on, AN forms an AP. We have to show that A1, A2, so on, AN forms an AP, where AN is defined as A plus 3N. And also find the sum of first 15 terms. Also find S15. This also we have to find. Is it clear? What is given? AN is equals to 3 plus 4N. Put n is equals to 1. Put n is equals to 1 in first case. A1 is equals to 3 plus 4 into 1 is 4. We got the value as 7. Now put n is equals to 2. First term we got it as 7. N is equals to 2. A2, that is 3 plus 4 into 2. That is 3 plus 8, 11. We got second term as 11. Now put n is equals to 3. We'll be getting the third term. That is 3 plus 4 into 3. 3 plus 12. That is 15. We got the third term. Is it clear? We got first term, we got second term, we got third term. Now the pattern is 7, 11, 15 and so on. Now it forms an AP, we have to check it up. So that is second term minus first term. A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1. That is 11 minus 7. 11 minus 7 is 4. Next A3 minus A2. 15 minus 11. That is 4. So A2 minus A1 is equals to A2 minus A1 is equals to A3 minus A2. Therefore, it forms an AP. Okay. Therefore, A1, A2, so on. A1, A2, A3, so on. AN forms an AP. ये तो हमको पहले फाइंड करना था. Now next we have to find S15. To find S15, first put Sn formula. Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. 15 by 2 into 2 into 7 plus 14 into 4. That is 15 by 2 into 7 2s are 14 plus 14 into 4 is 56. Add this. 15 by 2 into 70. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. That implies S15 is equals to 15 into 35. When you multiply this, you will be getting the answer 525. So S15 is equals to 525. The next bit is similar. Here an is equals to 3 plus 4n is given. In next problem, an is equals to 9 minus 5n. Do the problem as an homework. This is all for today. Have a good day. Bye. 15 by 2 into 2 into 7 plus 14 into 4. That is 15 by 2 into 7 to the 14 plus 14 into 4 is 56. Add this 15 by 2 into 70. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, 2 fives are 10. That implies S15 is equals to 15 into 35. When you multiply this, you will be getting the answer 525. So S15 is equals to 525. The next bit is similar. Here an is equals to 3 plus 4n is given. In next problem, an is equals to 9 minus 5n. Do the problem as an homework. This is all for today. Have a good day. Bye.